welcome to today's lesson. Our previous lesson was very interesting. Today's lesson will also be very interesting. Our topic for today's lesson will be field events. Now, firstly, what are field events? Field events are sports we carried out or perform on the field. Field events, they are sports that we carry out or we perform on the field. A field event is divided into two parts. We have the throws and jump. There are so many examples of field events. Some of these examples are, we have long jump, javelin, shot put, and lots more. In today's lesson, we will basically be looking at long jump. Now, long jump is a jump for distances. Long jump is a jump for distances. It is a jump from a marked spot on a flat surface into a demarcated spot or a place called the landing pit. The jumper's leg must not extend beyond a takeoff board. He or she is allowed 3 trials, after which the highest score is recorded. And also, long jump also has 4 basic skills, and they are: the first basic skills of long jump here is the run up. Run up, this is when the jumper runs about 11 to 15 steps from the starting line, okay, and then the speed increases as the jumper gets closer to the takeoff board. Another skill, which is the phase 2, is the takeoff. Takeoff is when the jumper swing off or swing forward and upward from the takeoff board into the air. The phase 3 is the flight. This is when the jumper hangs in the air with the hand up as the body moves forward. Phase 4, which is the last phase, is called landing. Now, this is the final stage of the long jump, when the body of the jumper comes down with the heels of the feet touching the ground, and then the score is recorded by the officials from where the jumper started to where the jump ended. Then there are some basic rules, safety rules of the long jump. Some of these safety rules in long jump are: 1, we have the long jump, he or she should always keep fit. 2, he or she should always practice regularly. To be very good in long jump, you need to practice regularly. Another safety rules of long jump is you need to wear an appropriate sports wear and canvas for carrying out this activity. And also, avoid heavy meal before the activity. Before carrying out a long jump activity, you have to avoid eating every meal so that you could be able to jump very well and obtain a very good score. One more safety rules is carry out warm-up exercises before the activity. Now, we should always carry out warm-up exercises before the activity in order for you to be able to be good and for you to be able to be fit for this particular long jump. I hope you learned a lot in today's lesson about long jump, field events, and some of the safety rules that are involved in carrying out long jump. Until then, see you in our next class when we'll be discussing more on more interesting topic. Please do not forget to answer the questions below at the end of this video. Bye.